Hello everyone, I welcome you all to a beautiful hairstyling video tutorial. So let's see what are we going to create now. We are making some beautiful zigzag patterns in this way and rolling the hair on the top, and then from the extra hair left behind, you can take your hair in this way and tie it with the help of clutches. Now take your hair in this way, make a beautiful lovely pattern in the middle, and with the extra hair left behind, you can just roll it into the form of a bun and secure with the help of clutches. Proceeding further, make a lovely beautiful pattern like this, simple yet classy. Now, what are we going to make? Roll your hair into the form of a beautiful circular bun that is going to give your hair a bouncy look. Now, roll your hair in this way on either side and going to give your hair a beautiful look. Again, twist your hair this way, twisting it back and forth, taking some of the hairs out to give it a little messy look to give you a basically classy look. And again, roll your hair in this way and make a bun out of it. Now what are we going to do? Crisscross your hair and then twist it back and forth and then roll it into a shape like this, and with the extra hair just tie it with the help of your lovely clutches. Again, what are we going to do? Roll your hair in this way and with the help of rubber band secure them, and with the extra hair left behind circulate it and make a circular bun out of it and secure with the clutches. Again, we are going to make the same way. What we are doing, just roll your hair into the form of a pleat like this and then roll it, and then you can secure with the help of clutches. Proceeding further in the video, what are we going to make now? Secure with the help of your rubber band in this way, taking your hair out, and let's see how are we going to make. And this is simple yet classy. Now, proceeding further in the video and showing some another interesting hairstyle. This is a bow-like structure in the middle that is personally my favorite. Isn't yours? So aren't you excited to try these lovely hairstyles on your own? Make pleats like this with the help of twisting your hair in this way, and again make two pleats and then roll it into the form of a heart shape, and this is going to give you a pretty look. Now roll your hair from side of the hair and do it on the another side also and secure, tie them with the help of a rubber band and secure with the clips. Now take partition from the hair, twisting your hair from zigzag pattern like this, taking your hair out and then secure with the help of your three lovely beads. Yes, further. Are you excited? Yes, let's see. We have rolled our hair into this and then making a beautiful lovely heart-shaped pattern in the middle. That is going to give you a beautiful look. Now, what are we going to do? Make a beautiful, neat and clean pleat like this in the form of a bun and then secure with the help of clutches. Make another pleat and then secure it in this way, and this is going to give you a lovely look. Again, proceeding further, roll your hair in this way, and then what are we going to make? Roll your hair like this, make a knot in this way and secure with the help of your beads. Again, roll your hair and make a knot, and then again make a knot from doing a partition from the hair, and third time also we have to do the same thing, repeat the pattern, and in the end you are going to get a lovely pattern. Just make a pleat, a braid like this, a thick braid in the end, and you are going to get a lovely beautiful result, and then secure it into the form of a bun. Proceeding further in the video and looking at the lovely hairstyles, roll your hair and twisting it back and forth, just convert it into the form of a lovely bun. Again, what are we going to do? Twist your hair in this way and making a zigzag pattern, and this is going to give you a pretty look from the back. And now, again we are converting it into form of a beautiful circular bouncy bun, and then with the extra hair make a pleat and join it like this. Isn't it looking simply pretty? Again, roll your hair in this way and make pleats like this and roll, twisting your hair in this way, and you will get a lovely result. Now make a pleat like this in the middle, roll your hair in this way, secure with the help of your rubber band, and then twisting it back and forth, convert it into a bun shape like this, and you will be amazed to see the result.